Greetings and salutations, your average rider here. Let's install R&G Cotton Reels. So this is the R&G Cotton Reel, or as most people like to call them, bobbins. This is the CR0047BK, fits the Honda CBR650F and CB650F 2013 on. Just gonna cut this open. These are plastic, and I believe these are sliders in addition to be the bobbins. The mounting plates. And the hardware, the bolts to mount the bobbins. As well as some instructions. So I'm going to have a peek over this, see what I need, and we'll go from there. Well, that was it for the installation of the R&G Cotton Reels. As you can see, it was not a difficult installation. It took maybe 15 to 20 minutes once I had gathered all the tools together. My only comment is needing a rear paddock stand with these L brackets so that you can lift the motorcycle from the rear swing arm, kind of undermining the reason why you're installing the bobbins in the first place. Maybe it shows in the video, but once I had the hooks for the paddock stand spaced properly, it was just a simple push down, lift the rear end of the motorcycle versus having to space this part, fiddle around with this, fiddle around with that. So I get that for the bobbins for sure. What also made this installation much simpler was having the motorcycle parked in the wheel chock. I did a previous video on the wheel chock. You can see that here. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.